The week's vibe and highlights. Friday is the new moon, so it's not a time to start new projects, new things. Always before a new moon, you're kind of winding down, preparing to bring in the new after the new moon. Wrapping up what you started in the previous new moon. It's a powerhouse energy, active and positive time. Opportunities that will stimulate your excitement.
Become a shining magnet. Shining magnet.
The week start out enthusiastic, outgoing, full of adventures, and wanting to spice up your week with inspiring moments. It's a good time to study and research if you are into expanding your horizons, getting new perspective on things, information in order to move forward way easier. It is also a time where in your writing, in your way of communicating, you can easily persuade others into your worldview so they can see it better also from your side. They'll be opening to listening to your side, how you see it. But remember, it's always a two-way street. So thereby also be open-minded and listening to their side, listening to their point of view. Midweek, it's a wonderful time to get together with friends and family. We're more open to how other people feel and listening to where they're coming from. Therefore, if you have situations where there is some stuck energy and you would like to clear the air, it's a very good time. Also, your creativity is heightened to spice up your daily life, to spice up your projects with lovely little twists. It's a moment to write down whatever comes to mind. Also, what you've been up to this last month. It's a good time to wrap it up, stabilize with little nuances, the outcome of what you've been up to. Now the new moon is coming up here on Friday. And the more we're moving into the age of Aquarius, we're moving into more technology, expansion, innovative, thinking out of the box kind of vibe. So new ideas is popping up. We have this urge and this feel more and more to liberate us from our chains. It will be ongoing theme in the next 20 years. But we are starting to feel the urge and wanting to find new ways of going about things that will give us a freer life. So we want to bring out more of the original self. Reinvent yourself. Here by the new moon, your genius and your rebellious nature will pop out. The new moon will set the theme for the next 4 weeks. So you can see we're moving in to quite an energy if the whole planet is in this more rebellious and liberating, thinking out of the box, using our way more genius side of us to move forward on. By wanting to shake things up and break free from our inner and outer chains, we can feel a bit stirred up. Therefore, it's good not to have too much prepared, not to have too much on your plate. If we do have room, when we feel it getting too much and we need to rebalance, temper our temper. There, it's good to have some free space and some moment where we can kind of calm down this vibrant, rebellious mindset, calm it down and see it from a realistic point of view, how to move forward on it. This energy is coming up to bring us on the barricades and wanting to free ourselves from this dysfunctional system that have been built up of yesterday's people and yesterday's mindset. Now the whole earth and all the planet has conspired together to bring in this powerhouse new vibe. And this whole year will be about liberating little by little, step by step, cut open the change that have held us back from living this freer life having the time and the energy for what we really care for. It would really help me if you like and subscribe and hit that bell so it rings and you will get all the updates. Hereby I also can help uplift others. I'll be very grateful for your help. And thank you for being here. So this full moon will start a chain reaction within ourselves as within the world to move us steadily and expansively forward towards the beautiful power that resides within us, so we can start becoming more of what we really are. So it's better not to resist it, or it can create some real chaos within us as in our communication with others. Let it come out. Let it inspire you to find new avenues and bring out as much joy of feeling this liberating state of being, because you get more of what you feel like. If you can imagine this beautiful new future of yours and keep it alive within you, then the reality becomes what you feel. That beautiful feeling that you have, you attract more of. So how to attract a brighter future is to really feel out every day. I do it several times a day. I feel this beautiful moment in my future as it is today. The feeling of it, you will get more of. Not really the image, but the feel of it. So the more you can stay in this uplifting, lighter, brighter feeling, the more you emanate that from your heart into the world. Your heart is that powerhouse energy that attract like-minded and likewise towards you. So use this beautiful, expansive, new era vibe coming in this weekend to settle into a higher vibe of emotions. And every time your ego mind goes, no, that's not possible, what if? And all these fear-based emotions, because the more you move forward, the more the ego mind feels lost, because the more you have yourself. So it will try to restrain you into the past with fearful ways. It's like a lonely child that needs the attention. The more you go, I've got this. Don't worry. I know, I can feel it to the bone. I can feel I can do this. Just slowly but surely. Not too much at a time, not overdoing it, but I know little by little I can bring this into reality. I feel this powerful part of myself. I am capable. You are capable. You can do this. I have a powerhouse roadmap for you. In 2 hours, you can be settling into your new future and know exactly how to start it out, inside out. You find it in my descriptions, and let me know, like my other students, how it just brought you so much clarity. Now you see the whole picture. When you understand and you can see where you want to go, how you're actually inside as outside in the physical world, how you can become the person capable of bringing this to life, getting all the nuances needed to truly bringing this to life, like I've done so many times as I'm a cat, 9 lives in one. This is how I did it every time, and why I'm showing you how you can do it very easily too, no fluff. On this, I wish you a powerful, beaming, expansive week, and may you sway through the obstacles.